Hi, Travis Hartley, Vice President of Sales and Product Development here at Food Warming Equipment Company, here to talk to you today about our PTST-1109-78HR prison transport carts. So just to quickly break down that model number so you can understand the nomenclature involved. All of our prison carts we size around the tray, so it's really important that we figure out what tray your facility is using and we can kind of build the cart around that to make sure we're giving you the best solution possible. In this case, that 1109 stands for 11 by 9 inch correctional tray. And so then again, the 78 off the end of the model number is designating how many of this size tray will fit in each one of these cavities. So in this case, you're getting 78 refrigerated side, 78 on the heated side as well. If you were to go to a smaller, like 7 by 9 tray, you're going to increase by around 30 trays on each side. So you've always got options, and again, it's going to kind of depend on what your facility uses, and we'll build it backwards from there. This is, again, the refrigerated side of the cavity. You can see we've got a Lexan control cover, so all either the trustees or the inmates or your guards, whoever's happens to be serving the meals, access is just the power. You get your preset temperature, secured with tamper-proof fasteners and behind Lexan. So then that way you're really just bringing the control down to what they need to control and nothing else. On the heated side, we have one accessory shown. So this is our ultra universal tray slides. They accommodate either sheet pans or hotel pans for doing some bulk food service. Maybe you're just moving in between a couple different service areas around the property. Up top, you can see on our thermostat, we have a thermostat retention strap that's going to keep anybody from pulling those knobs off. Again, trying to eliminate any weapon potential possible. See, we use very heavy duty hinges. Those hinges are secured by tamper-proof fasteners to make sure that those aren't being removed, and again, eliminating as much weapon potential as we can. Same as the case here with our fan guards. So you can see there's not really any way to get to those fan components because again, fan components can obviously be very high weapon potential. As far as transport, we have a really nice tubular stainless steel handle here for navigating it around the property. Makes it really easy to move and navigate down hallways. And as always with food warming equipment, tray transport carts, particularly for the correctional market, we're going to be built on this all welded tubular stainless steel base frame. So we use 14 gauge tubular stainless steel. We weld in 10 gauge plate into the corners of that frame and then shoot caster studs directly into that 10 gauge plate. So all that vibration as you're going across quarry tiles, across asphalt, elevator thresholds, what have you, it's all going to get transferred directly into this foundation or this base frame rather than going into the uprights of the cavity and causing damage over time. So just remember with FWE, call out your specific tray size that you're using, what the cart's going to experience in between the kitchen and your serving area. If there's any primary weapon concerns you need to help address, we'll make sure we get all those addressed for you, build a custom solution just for you, because at FWE, you can dream it, we can build it.